Lake Mead holds 36 trillion liters of water. Two massive concrete towers stand inside the lake. They are called the Nevada and Arizona intake towers. Each tower rises 180 meters above bedrock. Water enters through 4 giant circular openings. These openings sit at different depths deliberately. Engineers control exactly how much water enters. Massive steel gates seal each opening precisely. Water rushes down vertical shafts at terrifying speed. Those shafts drop 180 meters straight down. The force spins turbines generating 2,080 megawatts. Flood surges get absorbed before reaching downstream communities. The towers saved countless lives since 1936. No pump pushes water through this system. Pure gravity does all the engineering work.